Wait, why are you making us go sideways in the waves, man? So like oh my god, we're moving. The struggle bus. Oh my god, it's full of rocks here. What's going on? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm FlowerChild V. Today, we're on the lake. I'm here with my husband. We're gonna have a little kayak sesh. He brought his fishing rod, he's gonna fish. I'm just gonna paddle. Whew. The sun is, it's like, I don't know, 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock. We're out here for a little sunset paddle. We're gonna get a nice view of the sunset here. It's already starting to set. So a boat just went by. We are riding the waves. Fish on? No way. Oh, I like just saw it. I don't know if it caught on camera, but I saw it. It was real. It happened. I saw it. Okay, we made it to this little island with the flag. Beautiful view of the sunset. It's time for a joint. So thank God I brought a dry bag because it's soaked. Yeah. Inside we have a joint and the lighter. Ooh, getting pushed by the waves. I'm like locked and loaded in here. Like I'm not going anywhere. I'm caught between some rocks and I'm not moving. Beautiful. Time to smoke it. Alright. 4, 5, windy. I think you're better at starting it in the wind, so. Oh,
okay, gotta dry off my hands. Alright.
Okay, here's.
Careful, I'm running away. Hold me.
Yeah, I'll hold you. I got you. It's a little windy out tonight. We're kind of in the middle. Oh my god, we're moving.
I'm not going anywhere.
We're good as long as we stay together.
So whoever's not smoking has to hold the other kayak.
Yeah.
When you got the joint, it's okay. But if you don't, you gotta hold on to the kayak.
Or else we drift away and we can't pass the joint to each other anymore.
We can drift away as long as we drift away together.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm not loving that we're sideways in the waves, but it's fine.
I don't know if you heard that, but that was a loon earlier.
Oh no, we're moving.
Oh, no,
we just got flipped like 180.
Yeah, we're being turned around. And now we're kind of on the rocks right now.
We're about to go to that person's house.
No, we're coming for a visit, guys.
We might have to move.
Yeah.
Here.
Here.
Okay, if you hold, I can attempt to paddle us. Oh my god, we're moving. I'll attempt to bring us back to safety. Go. Let's get stuck in here. Let's just get stuck right here. Can we get stuck? Oh, hitting me. I'm sorry. Oh. Wait, what are you doing? You coming in with me? What are we doing? I don't know what's happening.
I don't know. I'm trying to get stuck.
Okay, I'm like kind of stuck.
Me too.
But now you're far away. I'm stuck. Or I'm not stuck. I'm too far. Okay. We might be okay here for a bit. Okay, hold me so I don't float away.
Just take the.
Okay,
You're stuck.
I won't float away.
Alright, you're stuck here. You're stuck here.
No, I'm not. You can pull back.
Here's your light.
Yeah, I'll hold on to that.
sun's almost set now.
Oh no, we can't see it from here though.
No, I know we're on the opposite side of the island.
We got paddled or pushed away by the waves. We're gonna have to go back around and see that sunset before it goes down. Almost done, and then we can float around to see the sunset. And you can maybe catch more fish. The clouds are like cotton candy like tonight. It's kind of cool.
Nice and relaxing out on the lake though.
Yeah, super grateful to have a lake
So close to home.
like literally a minute drive. like it's so close, it's great. We don't live lakefront, maybe one day, but at least we live really close to one. Well, actually we live close to many. Sudbury has 330 lakes within its limits, so we got lots to pick from. Also, I'm not exaggerating, it is literally 330. Like, look it up, it's real. Sudbury has 330 lakes. It's like a record.
It's not a record. I don't think it is.
No? Oh, I think I killed it again. The struggle bus.
Yeah, I killed it later.
Well,
Nope.
Oh, I mean the joint's almost done. You can just finish it. There's really not that much in there. All right, I'm gonna paddle it around and see what the sunset looks like. Oh, we almost missed it. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, and the clouds, they're literally like freaking cotton candy. The sun's almost gone. I mean, on camera, it still looks like it's got a while, but for real, it's like literally dipping behind it. Goodbye, sun. Oh, even the clouds on that side. Fucking cotton candy, yo. Starting to get chilly. Wind's picking up. It's actually cold. What is this?
I forgot how that felt.
Right? It's literally been 30 for the past fucking 3 weeks. Two boats coming. Oh my god, there's like big waves. What is going on? Let's go this way. Oh. That's from a pontoon boat, I think. Going up and down, up and down. Oh, baby. Flip you over so you guys can see it. Where? I don't even know if you'll be able to tell. It's on a GoPro. And they have like a built-in gimbal. Oh, damn, another boat! Everyone's coming off the lake. I can't get over these clouds, like holy fuck. Beautiful, especially those ones right there. These are nice. You almost like don't see the boat launch from here. I had to like really like, it's like camouflaged in there. It's just bushy, you can't see anything. This is fun. Glad we came out here. Boat launch is busy. We might have to, oh no wait, we went not at the boat. Is that why you did that?
Kinda.
Because you knew it would be busy? I mean, we're not equipped to go in the dark, so we gotta go, we gotta get out. Oh no!
I'm a momentum pirate.
Bye! See you later!
Bye.
Bye! Damn, I like fully stopped, what the hell? I know, right? I've been like checking them out this whole time. Like, they're super colorful. Alright, we are pretty much back at the boat launch. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, stay stony. Got these logs just like, oh no, we're twisting. No way. Oh no! Collision. Ah, fuck, I got caught on a rock too. Oh my god, it's full of rocks here. What's going on? Oh my god, I'm twisting. Fuck, another one. God damn it. Go closer to shore. There's gonna be waves. I'm trying to get out of your way. Nope.
Damn it.
I got you this time.
You stopped my momentum too.
I got you. No.
Release me.
Bye.